Hi everyone, basically Guyanese here. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking onto this video. In today's video or tutorial, I will be showing you how I achieved this eye look right here. What I used for my eyes was the MAC Burgundy ×9 palette. It's a very lovely palette. It's great for all occasions. You can wear it in the daytime, in the nighttime, whenever. You can wear it spring, summer, fall, winter, all year round. I think the colors are great for all year round. Most of the stuff on my face is from MAC Cosmetics, except for the foundation, which is the NARS Sheer Glow foundation, which I absolutely love, and the translucent setting powder, which is the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. This is the universal setting powder. What else did I use? I used the Bye Bye Under Eye concealer, and my lip liner is the LA Girl Ultimate Intense Stay Auto Liner, and it is in the color Keep It Spicy. For eyebrows, I used the e.l.f. brow pencil, and mascara is by Shiseido Full Lash, but everything else is by MAC Cosmetics. I do hope that you will enjoy this video. My skin is super glowy and I really like this type of look. And if you are subscribed to my channel, thank you for subscribing. If you're not, pause this video and just subscribe. And if you want to share this video, if you find it helpful, then feel free to do so. I'm gonna go now. The intro is getting too long. I hope that you will enjoy this video, and I will see you in another video very soon. God bless you and enjoy. Bye. I started off with an ice cube face massage. This helps to boost your complexion by brightening the skin and tightening it, and it really feels very cool and soothing. Then I applied some vitamin E oil to my skin, and on top of that I applied my face primer, and it is a sample that I got from the MAC counter, and it is their Natural Radiant Primer, which is really good, by the way. Everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, for this look, I will be using a MAC eyeshadow palette. This is the Burgundy ×9 palette. I went to the MAC counter at Macy's and picked it up. They have a 15% off sale going, so I ended up getting it, and hopefully I will enjoy. I really like the shadows. It's really good for everyday use. To me, it's all season long. You can use it in the summer, spring, winter, fall. It's all preferential if you like this kind of colors. I went ahead and applied liquid eyeliner. This is my favorite eyeliner and it is by NYX and I picked it up at Ulta. Then I applied my foundation, which is the NARS Sheer Glow, and like I mentioned before, it is my absolute favorite foundation right now. I love it so much. It gives a really nice glow to the skin. Now I am applying my Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer by IT Cosmetics, which is another really good product. If you haven't tried it out, I definitely recommend it. It's really good. Then I went ahead and added the MAC Studio Fix Concealer to the center of my face just to brighten it up a little bit, and I used a stippling brush for this part and also a damp beauty blender. To set the concealer, I used the Laura Mercier Universal Translucent Setting Powder. I really do enjoy using this powder. It is finely milled and it just gives you a nice silky finish. To set my entire face, I'm using the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the color Darkest Deep, and I really do love this powder. It's so good. Love it so much. To add some warmth back into my skin, I am using the blush Peaches from MAC as well. I've had this blush for a very long time, and yeah. For highlight, I am using MAC's Gold Deposit, and I'm just gonna add that onto the onto my cheekbones and down the bridge of my nose, on my chin. For the lips, I am using this lip liner called Spice It Up from LA Girl. I picked it up from Ulta. And for lipstick, I used the MAC's Coffee and Cream lipstick, which is a really flattering nude. And on top of that, I applied the MAC Lip Glass, which I didn't put in here. So, and that pretty much completes my entire look. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will shut up now, and I'm gonna go now. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share this video if you'd like, and I will see you in another video very soon. God bless. Bye.
Nobody gonna